Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna put up my kids Christmas tree. I guess I can just go ahead and call it the kids Christmas tree because I'm gonna let them decorate it. But I am in the office slash storage room. Can't really do nothing about all of the extra stuff in here right now because I'm still working on the house, and we downsized when we moved into this house like a month ago. So if you're new, we just moved in here. Let me just catch you up so you're not confused. We moved in like almost 2 months ago, and we downsized, and I just have a lot of stuff. So boom, there you go. That's why I have a storage room. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this tree up. This is my tree from last year, and I'm gonna let the kids decorate it because I don't want them messing with the main tree. They like to, you know, put toys and stuff in the tree, and I don't want that. So I decided to go ahead and put this one up, let them put their toys, you know, in it and decorate it with whatever they want to decorate it with. And this tree is going in this space because you can see it from the front of the house. Let me grab you guys. So let me show you guys the space in case you're new. But yeah, a lot of stuff, boxes and just extra decor, and you know, just a bunch of extra stuff that's not gonna go, you know, in the living room, dining room area. And some of this stuff I still need to like sort through. I'm not done with the house, so yeah, like wall decor, I'm not done putting up all of the wall decor. So you know, it's not gonna stay like this the entire time. I will, you know, get there eventually. I'm not trying to rush. There's no need to just rush and try to finish the entire house in a month. Like, I'm not doing that. It's okay for the kids because they don't care about all of this extra stuff. They just care about coming in here and putting their decorations on the tree. But anyways, so, you know, I have this window here. You can see, you will be able to see the tree from outside, and that's what I really want. So I'm gonna put this one up and let the kids, you know, just decorate it and have fun and make it look really colorful. I guess this is going to be like a spend a day with me type of video. Don't really know exactly how it's gonna go. I just know I'm gonna record what I have going on. Let me tell you guys about this tree before I forget. So I purchased it from Michael's last year, or was it 2 years ago? I can't remember. But yeah, I purchased it from Michael's pre-lit flocked tree, and the height is 7.5 feet, but it is a beautiful tree. I just wanted to go bigger because, you know, the ceilings are really high in this house, so I could afford to go bigger with my tree. This is about to get really messy. Ooh, this is heavy. What is this? What does this say? I don't know. I don't know which one goes on first. I didn't put the labels back on. And okay, so the biggest one is going to go on first, right? I think it's this one. Let me see. No, that can't be it. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one goes on first because the branches are longer. Yeah, it's right because, okay, you see the cord for the lights is at the, it's always going to be at the bottom section, so you can plug it in. So yeah, that's right. Why is it not going in? Okay. One more time. There we go. Woo! I really love a flocked tree, but oh my goodness, it is so messy. All right, so I am done with that. Looks good. You know, it'll look better when it's decorated. I really need to deal with this stuff right here because these boxes, this stuff has to go. This entire space needs to just be fixed. But like I said, I'm not in a rush to do that. I finished in time. I need to go pick up the kids now. So I'm going to go ahead and stop it right here. I'll be back with more stuff to share. I just received a package in the mail. It's from HelloFresh, and they are sponsoring this portion of today's video. My husband is helping me take everything out of the box now. We're not going to cook it tonight because we already have dinner going, but I am going to do one of these recipes tomorrow tomorrow. But this is a meal kit service, and I'm pretty excited about it because I really want to try it. I've been hearing so many great things about this and seeing so many like videos and people sharing really yummy looking recipes. So I'm really happy to be collaborating with them for this video. So if you don't know what HelloFresh is, like I said, it's a meal kit service. You get seasonal recipes, pre-measured ingredients delivered straight to your front door, and all you have to do is take it out the box and cook it up. It's packaged really well too. You have your step-by-step instructions, and everything is pre-measured, all of your ingredients, so you don't have to figure anything out. There's no guessing. What's in the bag is what you need to use for the meal, so that's really great. When it comes down to cooking, I'm not the greatest with it, and it's just not as fun because I'm not good with like putting together different recipes and all of that stuff. But this is supposed to make the process so easy, so I am like really excited to try it. And from what I've been hearing, the meals are so delicious. These are like chef curated recipes. Each week they have over 20 plus like seasonal meals in here, and it's for like everyone, so it's family friendly. If you like watch your calories, they have meals for that. If you're a vegetarian, you know, you can pick meals for that as well, so you have a lot of options to choose from. And the meal kit is very flexible, so you can like add extra things to your order. So if you want extra meat, you can do that, or extra dessert. You can just, you know, customize it the way you want it to be. And if you want to change your delivery days or like your food preferences, you can do that as well. Even skip a week if you're like, nah, I don't want to like mess with it this week. So that's really great. I love that it gives you like so many options and control of your meal plan. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try out this balsamic fig chicken because this looks really good. That's what I'm gonna cook tomorrow. Now I do have a promo code, guys, so if you want to like, you know, try it out, you can go to HelloFresh.com. The promo code is KeishaJ9. I will have it in the description box as well. You can get started with 9 free meals. That's like $90 off of your first month of like HelloFresh meals, and that includes shipping, so that's a really great deal. All right guys, so it is the next day, and like I said, I am gonna try out this chicken recipe because it looks really yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and just eat it for lunch. The kids, they're still in school and my husband's at work. They will have it for dinner, but I'm gonna go ahead and eat it right now because I am starving. I skipped breakfast because I was just busy. I've been running errands all morning, you know, home decor shopping again. I'll show you guys that later. So I have everything like prepped and ready to go. I cut up everything and I just followed the instructions, which are really easy to follow along to. It tells you exactly what to do, when to do it, and how long to do it for. And HelloFresh is now from $5.66 per serving, guys. $5.66. That's amazing. Like when we go to fast food restaurants, we spend more than that. So you're getting the most meal for your money, all of these delicious choices at their best value. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. Don't mind the mess behind me. I went to Ross earlier and I picked up some stuff so I can finish the dining room, and then I have like Christmas stuff out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have all of the Christmas decor out that I need to go through. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try because I am super hungry. Okay, I don't like to talk with food in my mouth, but the sauce is really good. Everything that went into just making the sauce is like the perfect combination. It tastes really good. And as far as like the broccoli and potatoes, you know, I have this all the time, roasted in the oven. But you know, it tastes like a potato, but it's all about the sauce. With this recipe, it's definitely about that sauce. So yeah, like I said, if you want to get started, you can get 9 free meals, which is $90 off your first month on HelloFresh, including shipping. Okay, don't forget that part. It's including shipping. And you can just go to HelloFresh.com and enter my promo code KeishaJ9 to you know, get started on your meal plan as well. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this because oh my goodness, look at this ribbon. I am watching Farrah's from Inspire Me Home Decor. I'm watching her stories and look at that ribbon. I need that. I really want that ribbon. It's so pretty. It has like mirrors on it. It's so glam. Oh my goodness, that would look really good on my tree. All right, I'm done eating. That was really good, but I wanted to show you what I purchased from Ross. So I have these lamps for the dining room. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them because I don't know what I was thinking in the store, but I honestly, oh my God, that is cracked. How did that even happen? I really don't know how this happened. This could have been damaged when I purchased it. Maybe I wasn't paying attention to it, but I don't know. It could have happened in a car as well, but I definitely had it like, you know, covered and had padding in between the mirrors because I had it in the front seat, just to make sure it didn't like move around in the car. So I really don't know how this happened. Like, I really don't know, but I'm gonna try to return it. Hopefully they don't say, you know, it's not returnable. I'll just say, hey, I didn't even pay attention to that. When I got home, I noticed it and, you know, see if that works. But I purchased them for the dining room because I wanted to use them on this console table, but my console table is mirrored. So I don't know if I'm gonna like that. You know, having a mirrored lamp on top of a mirror at the console table. I'm not doing mirrors above it. I'm gonna do art, not those pieces. I want to use those somewhere else. And I've been on a hunt for some like new art, but I'm having absolutely no luck. I want something that has black and white in it. You know, if I could find something with black, white, and navy blue, you know, I would be good to go. I've seen pieces like that before when I didn't need it, and now that I need something with those colors, I cannot find anything. But yeah, I'm just gonna have patience, keep looking. But yeah, I got those. They were $34.99. And then I got these here. I love the mirrors on it. I think it looks really luxe. So I purchased, you know, 2 of the small ones and this big one because I was thinking about using it on the dining room table with like some plants inside. But I might use them on my bookcase. So we'll see. I just thought they were super cute and I wanted to play around with them. And I think those, well, I purchased some clothes. I got some stuff for my son and then some more jeans for me because I love buying my jeans at Ross. And they were like $13.99, so affordable. But yeah, and I went over to Lowe's and I purchased these lights. I have those floodlights. They're very yellow though. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera because my camera tends to adjust my lighting, but they are very yellow, and when I'm trying to record videos, it just makes my footage look like it has a yellow tint, and I don't like it. I just need to fix my lighting situation because I'm just struggling with recording videos in this house, and the lack of windows and like natural light coming in. I'm just struggling. So hopefully this fixes, you know, my issue. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video. That's all I have to share. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.